Welcome to the Flophouse Meditation Podcast. Unfortunately, the soothing whale songs could not arrive today. The whales were double booked, so we do have soothing dolphin songs. So just take a breathe in. Now just breathe out. Click, 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 click.
Elliott's voice is reaching such high pitches that Zoom is like, stop it. Cut this shit
my
out.
recording device it has its hands out begging me to stop with the noises. Now, silence would be good since the movie we're talking about today has very little dialogue in it.
And it features one of the stars of the movie Silence.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. A Tyrannosaurus. Yeah.